stock has just released its Q4 result, and many of the major brokers are disappointed and they're warning the investors. Okay, and the stock has also shown a quick reaction and the stock has come down. Okay, so is this just a small dip correction or is it a warning? So in this video, I'll be breaking down the full analysis of Wipro's Q4 result and what it looks like future for this particular stock. Okay, so please note this video is only for an educational purpose and not a trading recommendation, and I'm a trader with 10 years plus of experience, and if you guys wish to improve your trading skill and knowledge, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen for more educational details. Okay, so now let's look at what is Wipro Q4 result is saying. Okay, so guys, first of all, if you see quarter on quarter, it is an improvement of almost 13 to 14% in the growth. But if you see year on year, it's almost down by 2%. To be precise, it's 1.9% down when compared to year on year. So it shows a decline in its performance. Okay, so not only that, their business has been slowed down, and whatever the deals that they're making with other companies, even that deal has been slowed down. Okay, so overall the business is running in its slow phase as of now, and also the future guidance also looks a bit of a slow and in a downtrend. So that's the reason why even Wipro ADR was trading by 3% down yesterday after the results were out. And also, as I said you, the revenue growth was almost flat. Okay, so already the IT sector is going under a big pressure, and this Q4 result, which was a bit of an bearish side, okay, which was not much of a stronger side, so that made the Wipro stock to go more further down is what I think. Okay, so most of a bigger brokerage firm like Jeffries and Morgan Stanley, so they're not that much happy with this result what they have seen. Okay, so they're expecting the result to be more good in the next quarter what they might get. Okay, so right now if you see Wipro stock is currently trading around 210 rupees, but they're offering the buyback of the stock worth rupees 15,000 crore at 250 rupees price, which is almost 19% of its premium. Okay, so not sure when the date is, so the date is not yet announced, but this is the news what we have. So they're offering a buyback of 15,000 crore shares. Okay, so let's see when they will announce the date and when we'll get the details about it. And currently the stock is trading at 210. So before it touched this 210 level, the stock has touched the support level of 187. From 187 now it's trading at 210. So if you ask me where is the next resistance level if the stock goes up from here, we have a resistance level somewhere close to 225, 240 and 260. So these three are the resistance level what we have as of now. And if the stock comes down from here, 185 will act as first support level, and if that 185 breaks and goes down, 160 will be the major support level for Wipro stock. Okay, so this is about the chart analysis, and this is the news what I have for today on Wipro. So do like this video if you guys have liked it, and subscribe for more information and updates like this.